Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about physics 8th class first chapter universe. In this class we will learn about some questions about the universe. First of all, discuss about some short questions. What is a light year? What is the meaning of the light year? Simply we say that a light year is the distance traveled by light in a year. Light year is a unit distance of heavenly bodies in the universe in a year. Heavenly bodies means stars, etc. A light year is the distance that light can travel from Earth to other heavenly bodies in 1 year. Or we will discuss a light year is a unit of measuring distance of that light can travel in 1 year. So 1 light year equal to 9.46 trillion kilometer. Trillion means 10 to the power of 12. So we can write 9.46 into 10 to the power of 12 kilometers. So simply we say that what is light year? A light year is the distance traveled by light in a year. Next question, what is the general opinion about how the universe was formed? So how the universe formed in this question? First of all, cosmologists who study the universe believe that about 15 billion years ago, the universe was concentrated everything at one point. So what they believe? The cosmologists believe that about 15 billion years ago, the universe was concentrated, but everything at one point. A gigantic means big explosion called Big Bang occurred at that time. When what will happen? The concentrated matter move to upwards or expand. So the universe was formed. So this is the belief of the universe was formed. Next question, what are galaxies? Some shapes of galaxies. Clusters of stars or groups of stars are called galaxies. So galaxies are different shapes and sizes. Many of them are elliptical, some are like rings, spirals and irregular shapes. What are constellations? What are constellations? Some stars in the sky seem to form different patterns. The patterns move across the sky as like the earth moves around the sun. So the patterns do not seem to shift with respect to each other. So the patterns formed by stars are called constellations. Next question, what are terrestrial planets? Solar system we know that solar system have 8 planets, and from the sun they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are all planets. The 4 planets closest to the sun are called terrestrial planets. So terrestrial planets are 4 planets closer to the sun. So what are these? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are 4 planets are terrestrial planets. Next question, which planets have rings around them? So which planets have rings around them? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune have rings around them. Next one, Venus is called brilliant planet and hottest planet. Why? So why called Venus is brilliant planet and hottest planet? First, Venus is closest to the earth. It is visible in the east before sunrise, so called a morning star, and visible in the west after sunset, so called a evening star. So it is called a morning star and a evening star. Next, Venus is brilliant planet due to its dense atmosphere made up of mostly carbon dioxide and reflects a lot of sunlight. So it is called the brilliant planet. Venus is called hottest planet. Why? Because the carbon dioxide traps a lot of heat with an average temperature of 450 degrees centigrade. So that's why Venus is called the hottest planet. Next question. Why we always see the same side of the moon? The moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution around Earth. It takes the same time to complete one rotation. So the result is that we always see the same side of the moon. So this is the short questions in the universe chapter. So in the next class we will discuss about long questions. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.